All right, I'm going to unbox these Save Your Equipment Apollo ear protection. These are about $38 on Amazon right now, which for electronic hearing protection I think is a pretty good deal. So I was just curious to see how these were going to stack up against, say, like the Walkers or Howard Lights. Savior has been making bags for a long time now, but they're just released these not too long ago. Let's check them out. Alright, so this is how they come out of the box. The one thing that I saw that was pretty cool about these is they already came with the gel ear pads, which is super nice because having the gel ear pads is super comfortable, especially for a longer period of time. And having a little bit deeper of an ear pocket, I think, creates a little bit more sound protection. So overall, these feel really nice. I will say they are a little bit thicker width-wise than, let's say, the Razer Slims, but it's really not that big of a deal. These aren't like that fat. Alright, and then in the box you just get the instructions and then a pair of AAAs. Has a pretty nice headband. This is the volume knob right here. And then they fold up. Compact, just like almost every other pair of ear protection. So there you go, pretty compact. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them for you. But now I'm going to get these out and go test them.